What's up, y'all? It's Naturally Nappy here with another video. If you're new here, what's up? Welcome. I appreciate you guys tuning in for my video. And if you're old here, welcome back. I appreciate you. I love you. So yes, guys, so today we will be using Camille Rose's products on this naturally hair. I will be using these two products together to be doing a 3-strand twist. I hope you guys enjoy it, but before we go any further and get into this video, please make sure that you like, you comment, you subscribe, you hit the bell so that you can be here for my next videos, and share this video with another natural. Duh. Now that I have sectioned my hair into these 6 sections, I do that now so that I can not cause breakage and remove the permanent part from the middle of my head, as well as the back down the middle of my down the back of my head. So now I do it into 3 sections and I part across the top. And yeah, so today we will be doing using curl up first to add on a leave-in, and then following up with the Almond J to seal in the products. Ever since my first use of the curl up, I really have enjoyed it. It goes on really smooth, it detangles my hair very well, and it gives my hair a lot of moisture. I like reaching for this product when I'm doing like 2-strand twists or something that more or less of a protective style that I could leave in for more than a day, because my hair feels nourished and protected, and at the same time it's also aiding for hair growth. So yeah. And then now I will go through each section and do the same thing so that the curl will be able to sit on my hair while I start styling. Now that I have finished applying the curl up all over my hair, I will now start with the Almond J and start styling on this specific section here. After applying the Almond J and distributing that evenly throughout my hair, I would try to make 3 even sections with my hair, but also make sure that you get those ends. Now that I have 3 even sections, I will do my hand placement. I feel like putting my fingers through 3 even sections help with me navigating over. So I'll pull that one under, put this one in my other hand, and then grab those 2. Bring this one under, grab this middle one with my hand, and bring this last one under. Take this last one, bring it all the way under. Last one, bring it all the way under. And I will continue doing that down my hair. It's a process, it takes long, and it's easy to mess up, but I think as long as you don't start to mix up braiding with the 3-strand twist, you'll be okay. The benefits of 3-strand twists is the definition you get is 10 times better to me than 2-strand twists. So you'll get a lot more curls, smaller curls too. Once you get down to the bottom, just continue on with a regular 2-strand twist just to seal it up. And then twirl it around your finger. As you can see, the spirals are a lot smaller. But I promise you will like the end results. So I will show you guys one more, and then I will try to zoom through this video. So again, get some product, not too much. Massage that through your hair, also focusing on those ends. Get those 3 even sections. Once those sections are even and to your liking, you hold those 2 with this hand, take this one under and grab those. Hold these 2, grab, hold those 2, grab, hold those 2, and grab. And you just continue doing that same method down your hair. Now I know some people do it differently, but this is my best way to keep my hair separated from each other and me not messing the entire thing up. And see, just like that, I almost messed it up. Your hands could easily slip and you'll think that you're doing twists. So just try to keep them separate. And remember your hand motions and the method, and it'll help you keep everything separated. And once you get close enough to the bottom where you're comfortable enough to just do the 2 strand twist, join some sections together, and twist the remaining way. 2 strand twist the remaining way. Twirl that end around your finger, and now you have another 3 strand twist. Although this takes a lot more time, I really do appreciate the definition that you get from these twists. You can see it looks so pretty. It does take a lot more time, and it can be time consuming as well as tedious, so you want to take your time when doing them. Over time I begin to venture off into doing my entire head versus smaller sections, because I would just do them maybe to the front or just to the back, but not my entire head. Never my entire head. This is actually my first time. But as I begin to learn how to do them and become more comfortable, I now attempted to do my entire head as well as show you guys in the process. After many hours, I have finally finished my twists. They were really, really nice and neat. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave these in for some days, maybe a week and a half, maybe, depending on how I'm feeling and if I actually leave the house. But other than that, get into these nice 3 strand twists. My hair is moisturized, it feels sealed in. And yep, I'm gonna be wearing this for a while. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like this for a while, and then when I take these down, I'll come back and show you guys my definition, my curl, volume, and all the other fun stuff. So I'll be back. Who does she think she is? But hey, if ain't nobody gonna lift her up, she might as well do it herself. I got some length, some movement. They nice and soft and shiny. I can't wait to show you guys the takedown. So first, I make sure that I put some oil on my hands and ensure that they're also on my fingertips. And then I grab, by one hand, I grab the root of the twist, and on the ends, I twist them in the opposite direction to unravel the twist. And then once I feel comfortable enough, I'll grab one and separate the three. And I'll do it again. I'll grab one hand from the root and the other finger I'll twist in the opposite direction. And in that hand that I was holding the root with, I'll slide my finger down and find a comfortable position to where I can separate the twist. The key to it is to ensure that you aren't borrowing any hair in the process of doing the 2-strand twist, so that when you get ready to unravel the twist, you don't have to worry about finding that section where you borrowed the hair and eventually causing frizz. So to eliminate that portion, just ensure that you don't borrow hair in the process, and when you go ready to take it down, it's easy as 1, 2, 3 to find those 3 sections that you banded together and separate them apart. And there it is, y'all. Got some definition. I mean, it ain't nothing to it but to do it, right? But I'll just speed this video up and finish the remaining of my head.
Already shattered, holding on to what we have and take us to the edge and back, holding on to what we have and take us to the edge and back.
At this point, y'all, these curls are not my own. I don't know who I think I am. This definition is wow. I look good, y'all. I am not gonna fluff these. I'm actually gonna let them wear them out like this for some time, just to keep the definition going. And whew, but I am itching to fluff them because it is so cute. These 3-strand twists took a while. I left them in for an entire week, and my definition looks amazing. It looks amazing. Just check out the spring. Alright, y'all, so after finish playing in my hair, I'm just gonna close out this video and let you guys know that, yeah, I'm gonna leave my hair like this for a while. I may add in some clips at the end of this video, depending on how I end up leaving my hair throughout the week. And if I end up fluffing it, of course, to show you guys how that looks as well. But other than that, that's just in this video. You guys let me know in the comments, what do you think about these 3-strand twists, how they turned out, the definition, the shine. And yeah, that's really it to this video. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.